Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share an Excel document in Airtable. Once you're inside Airtable, go ahead and find that Excel document or the Excel sheet on your workspace. And you can see right here, I have my workspace. I'm going to click on that document. And once it's open, you will see towards the upper right that it says share. You can click on that. And here you have invite collaborators. You can enter the email address of whosoever you want to add and you'll be able to share with them. Or you can even share it on the web as well. It's really up to you. You can just toggle this option on to share it on the web. But if you want to invite to someone specific, you can go ahead and just enter their email address. So let's say that is the email address right here. I click on .com and I select it. Then I'm going to just click on invite right here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. I also want to mention that you can manage the rights to this document. So if you want them to be a creator or you want to make them be an editor, commenter, read only, it's really up to you. So ensure that you check this as well before you send the invite. You can always change it later, of course, but it's better to do it in the first place. And that's it, guys.